Two dead bodies were found hanging in two different districts of Jammu Region. Body of one Madan Lal was found hanging under mysterious circumstances at his house in Udhampur district. Meanwhile, another body of businessman Manzoor Wani of Pulwama was found hanging from a tree in the outskirts of Jammu city. University Employees Joint Action Committee has strongly opposed the newly imposed Jammu and Kashmir Public Universities Bill 2022 by the Modi regime in the territory. Professor Pankaj Srivastav, president of the Jammu University Teachers Association, said that the bill was a blow to the very concept of universities' autonomy. Congress Occupied Kashmir chapter has slammed the BJP regime for disappointing the people on every front, terming the New Delhi's attitude towards Kashmiri people as stepmotherly. President Waqar Rasool Wani in Kupwara district said that the Congress will continue its fight against policies detrimental to the interests of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. National Conference President Dr Farooq Abdullah has asked the Modi regime whether the abrogation of Articles 370, 35A has brought normalcy. Farooq Abdullah, addressing a party convention in Samba, Jammu, asked the situation on ground narrates a different story. Contrary to what was being claimed, there is no visible sign of things getting better in Jammu and Kashmir. Targeted killings have brought back the horror of the 90s. All Parties Hurriyat Conference and organizations have said that under a well-hashed conspiracy, Indian Army and police arrest innocent Kashmiri youth and kill them in custody before issuing the militant killed in crossfire an already written statement. The APHC spokesman, Hurriyat leader Dr Musaib, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League and Jammu and Kashmir People's League in their statements in Srinagar said that Sajjad Ahmad is the fresh victim of such target killing by the Indian troops in Islamabad district. Indian Army has issued tenders to buy thousands of bulletproof jackets to protect its armed personnel from steel core bullets. Indian Army has issued tenders for acquiring 62,500 bulletproof jackets for its frontline troops. The jackets would be first provided to the troops deployed in the occupied Kashmir. Humiliating defeat is the destiny of India even if New Delhi deploy its entire army in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir to suppress the ongoing freedom struggle. This was stated by incarcerated senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar in a special message from Srinagar Central Jail. He said those who live for Almighty Allah and are fighting for a great sacred cause will never fear death, arrests and other brutalities.